Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a random color challenge video, which I haven't done in a while, but I just want to do it again. I really love those videos. So today I'm going to be doing a random color challenge with this guy. This is my ColourPop single eyeshadow collection. I know now they have even more colors, even more textures. There's duochromes, there's pressed pigments, but
I didn't have all of those when I made this.
I think I have a pretty decent selection of colors. There's obviously a lot of neutrals, but then we have our mustards, we have blues. Let's do 5 colors this time around. And I already have all 24 shades that are in this palette. I didn't actually put all 24 shade names. I just numbered 1 through 24. I have a little wheel. I'm gonna spin that wheel and we're gonna come up with 5 eyeshadows to put on my eyeballs. We have 24 eyeshadows, 1 through 6. Shade 23! This is eyeshadow number 23, which is named Tiny Tangerines. 20! Shade number 20 is this duochrome called Tea Garden. What happens if I click on it? 14! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So shade number 14 is this bright pink. It's called For Sure. Number 2, it's this guy. So pretty standard cream color eyeshadow. This one's called Hear Me Out. Last one. This is eyeshadow number 13, our last eyeshadow. This one is Top Notch, which is kind of a focus, which is a warmer brown. So this made it a lot easier. Like that. So these are the eyeshadows that we got today. Pretty good selection, but I'm kind of worried about these two. These have the recipe for a 1980s look. If I don't do something cool with them, yeah, it can turn out to be kind of weird. It took me a little bit to figure out what I wanted, but once I realized these 3 are matte, these 2 are shimmers, something clicked in my head. The first color I'm going to grab is this guy, and I'm going to be applying it all over the eyelid. I'm like still thinking about it. Okay, I'm gonna go for the bright pink. We're just gonna go for it. And this guy's gonna go all over my eyelid. This is so bright. I've actually never used this color. How sad. So I'm just stamping this because I don't want any fallout. I already did my face, except for the blush. This color is intense. It's so damn bright. Like, I kind of love it, but at the same time, like, this is, you know, this is a look. I'm just gonna soften, you know, the edge because it is kind of like, boom, it's pink. So just very, very lightly, I am gonna bring it out just a tiny bit. Now, I'm going to grab this guy, that warm brown. I'm just going to start placing this on the outer corner. I'm almost gonna, I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying, to be honest. I'm just gonna place it here and then see how it looks. You know what? I thought this color was looking good on my swatch, but it's not really translating all that well. Oh God, ugh, ugh, it's not looking that good. It's almost coming off a little bit yellow. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks a little bit yellowy to me. I'm a little bit worried, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna go back with this guy and just keep meshing those 2 colors together. I'm gonna go back with the first color I applied and just use it to blend out a little bit more. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna grab this guy once again and I'm going to smudge it on the lower lash line. I'm just gonna do it from the center outwards. Oh my god, what am I doing today? I think this has been the most challenging one I've done. You know what? We can't give up. We must persevere. And this look will come together eventually. I'm going to pick up this guy using my finger. And it's gonna go right here. I still haven't used the blue. Oh my god. Okay. I'm just gonna pick it up with this brush. Might as well. I'm gonna also place it right here. I think this is by far the weirdest color combination I've ever gotten. I mean, just the blue and the pink alone. I'm gonna stop right there. You know what? Now that I have the liner and the mascara, the mascara almost saves every look. It doesn't look that bad. I also just embraced some of the 80s blush. I mean, if I was gonna go and try to save this look, might as well make it retro. It's not that bad, but it's not my favorite either. Instead of playing it safe, we're gonna play it bright. This might look really bad, or this might look really good. I'm gonna grab the brush that I use for the eyeshadow that's still stained with eyeshadow. I'm gonna see how it goes.
I don't know how I feel about this look.
But this is the finished look. Is it the worst look ever? I don't think it is. But was it the trickiest color combination I've yet to use? I actually think it is. And that's saying something, because my last random color challenge video was a full-on kind of rainbow palette. But it is a look, that's for sure. I am not gonna go out looking like this. What do you guys think? Please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I feel like I need a round 2 with this palette. I need to redeem myself with this palette. So expect a ColourPop random color challenge round 2. I think I can do better. I just hope that I don't get this blue and this pink again, because if I do, it's gonna be in 1982. If you're brand new to this channel, please take a moment to subscribe to see round 2 of this random color challenge and to see more of my face on your screen. Give this video a like, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!